हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इट्स 26 जनवरी रिपब्लिक डे। वातावरण में देशभक्ति की लहर घूम रही है और मैं जाके देखने वाला हूँ बैंगलोर में कि बैंगलोरियंस को रिपब्लिक डे के बारे में कितना पता है। तो आइए देखते हैं, चलते हैं, मिलते हैं और बात करते हैं। Hey, you are having off?
Yeah.
So it's a Republic Day.
Yes.
Do you have an off?
Yes, I do. No. We are Christians.
Oh,
Do you guys have off today?
so you have off. You are
Yeah.
enjoying here for your vacation.
Yeah, it's a holiday.
So why it's a holiday?
Because it's Republic Day.
Okay. So what's the occasion?
Republic Day.
So he's come to visit Philippines.
But there's a occasion.
Republic Day.
Republic Day.
So there's like a big release. There's
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Again. What's the occasion today?
Republic Day celebration.
June मत बोलो. काबिल.
What's Republic Day?
It's when our constitution is written.
Which year?
I don't know.
What's Republic Day?
Okay.
What is Republic Day?
You better zoom it.
I can answer that. In 1950, like we got independence in 1947, but in 1950 we get all the rights. It's the first day when our constitution was actually generalized.
I don't want. I especially want it from her. Okay. All right.
1947 is when we got our independence, but 1951 is when we actually became a republic.
Are you sure it's 1951 again?
Yeah, it is 1951. 1951 is when we became republic, and then 20. 1951 is when the republic started.
That is that as Republicans, we need to know Kabil now. So that's why we're promoting Kabil.
Did you seriously take the money from the Hrithik Roshan team and all those? I suspect that. I really suspect that. Wait. State gets separated.
The day the constitution was. No, it was
Implemented. So what's Republic Day? Do you have any idea about it?
The day constitution of India was.
मोगेम्बो खुश हुआ
What's Republic Day?
I guess we celebrated because the Constitution of India was signed. I don't know, maybe.
Was implemented on.
I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm genuinely not sure. I mean, okay.
Since this is a Republic Day, there is a ban on something. Do you have an idea what?
Ban on something. Ban on Jalikat.
Something special today. Okay. There's something which is banned today. Do you know what it is? She knows that. She knows that.
I know that.
Are you just roaming around and not getting any?
Are you going to meet your friend right now?
Yes, I am.
But it's a dry day.
But I am not dry right now.
He is not dry. He is celebrating Republic Day by not being dry. Okay, but why is he here? Basically,
Shopping.
shopping only.
Yeah.
That's it.
Only shopping.
No pub, no drinks.
Yeah.
Okay, so today is dry day basically. But I'm not sure about pubs and all. But you will not find the liquor at the local shop. It's a dry day. These guys have no idea what is Friday. Literally. Friday, not Friday. Okay, so all the.
I thought it was alcohol.
You thought about alcohol. Very good. She's smart. I can see that. Okay, do you have any other idea what all other days are Friday?
Gandhi Jayanti.
Everybody knows that. Friday, everybody knows that. What's the difference between Independence and Republic?
This is a good question. Independence Day is the day when we got independence from Britishers. Basically, what we got Azadi from Britishers. And in this one, we signed the constitution in 1950. We signed the constitution or something.
Independence Day is just the day it declared.
What? Declare what?
The British left, but then we got the constitution was passed on.
What is the difference between Independence Day and Republic Day? Now you know, but okay, if you were listening to Rishabh,
Okay, I do. we got independence. Independence.
All right.
Republic Day when
Again, we are back to the track, you know. All right, all right.
So tell me a difference between Independence Day and Republic Day.
Independence Day is the day we got our independence in the British. Republic Day is the day India became a republic. They have their own constitution. I think that's it.
What is Independence Day? Just say. What's the difference between Republic Day and Independence Day?
In Republic Day, we were not completely, we didn't get our freedom, but in Independence Day, we got our freedom.
Republic Day we get
But entire freedom we didn't get because only our constitution has come, and yes.
Are you sure about it? That new theory I've learned today. Okay, look here, meet him.
Okay, I don't know this exactly. I'm not that good at everything, but then yes, I know a bit about it.
इससे पहले कि मैं तुझे गद्दार करार देकर गोली मार दूं, भाग जा यहाँ से।
So, have you heard about Independence Day?
Yeah. 50th August.
50th August. Okay, 50th August is Independence. That we all know. Wow. That they know at least Independence Day. So,
Holiday.
oh, you know it because it's holiday. तो ये तो थे कुछ लाजवाब आंसर जो हमको मिले बैंगलोरियन से। उनको रिपब्लिक डे के बारे में कितना पता है, इंडिपेंडेंस डे के बारे में कितना पता है और ऑफकोर्स फ्राइडे के बारे में कितना पता है। मुझे उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर आप इसे पसंद कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। नहीं कर रहे हैं तो भी करके ये बताएं कि क्या पसंद नहीं आया। लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें और हमसे जुड़े रहें। हैप्पी रिपब्लिक।